Hey y'all, it's Lana here. I'm back with another video. I'm coming to you from my bed. I like this little intimate, I guess you can say, setting on my bed. So today, I got a nice little early Christmas present to myself. Trying to get the thumbnail. Maybe I should like take it out the box. So, thumbnail. Okay, so I think I got it. So I ended up getting an Apple Watch. Yes. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I have not done an unboxing in years. Like the last unboxing I did was like when I first started my channel, which was like 9 years ago. Okay. So I'm like a veteran at this point. So I wanted an Apple Watch for a long time. And it's funny, I wanted just the simple Series 3 and I ended up being blessed, you know, with the Series 5 instead. So I got it in the space gray. I have the 40mm and what else? And it says it's the space gray aluminum case black sport band. So I'm going to unbox it with y'all. This is like an official unboxing. So here is what the box looks like. Once you take the plastic off, you take this off. I feel so official. So you take it off. Probably seen videos like this already where they're showing everything. So it comes like this. Oh, that's a cute thumbnail. Hold up, y'all. So here's this little thingy mabobber. Has all the little pictures on it. That's not important. Okay, so next is the actual box that the watch comes in. See, it has like a little clock on it. And then I have the little sport band. So I don't, since I just literally got it today, I don't have like any like stuff for it, like extra like, whatchamacallit, straps, bands for my watch as of yet. But I'm pretty sure once I get some stuff, I will be doing a haul. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I will definitely be doing that. So it comes with the bands. It comes with the average size smaller band, the snap piece, and then it comes with a longer piece. I'm probably going to use the shorter piece because my wrists are pretty small. So I'll probably use that one and then this piece right here, which is, yeah, the regular piece. So yeah, this is a small medium. And then this other one that's in here is the medium large. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to use the small medium one. Okie dokie. So let's open up the box. Ooh. I'm like probably the first unboxing you guys are gonna watch that as a person that probably just actually like smelled the box like a drug addict or something. Not a drug addict, but still. Like I'm probably the only person you're gonna watch that smelled the box like that, okay? So it comes with like the information and stuff, typical like things on everything. So honestly, let's real talk. I didn't know anything about the Series 5 and what it had to offer, anything when I first, like, got it. Like, I didn't honestly know anything about it. I just knew about the Series 3 because I was like, oh, it's coming on. Ooh, look, that's what it looks like. That's the little face of it. So I got it in space gray, like I said. So like I said, I didn't know anything about it. I just knew, I was like, I just want an Apple Watch. I want something that's going to connect to my phone, for one, so that I can connect to my phone, so that I can track my steps, basically. That's what I wanted it for. And then something, that's basically honestly what I wanted it for. I was like, I need something. So here it is, medium small band on there. It says low battery to continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. So when you first get it, you are going to have to charge it, okay? So keep that in mind. And then one last thing, this is the charger for it. And then of course an adapter as always. So I'll probably do a separate video of me actually setting it up and all that stuff so I can actually charge it. Since I didn't get to charge it for this video, but yeah, let's put it on actually. Let's put our little watch on. For right now, I'm pretty sure I can make it tighter, but for right now, so yeah, so that's all for this unboxing. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Like I said, what a majority of the features that come on this watch is like that long display. I forgot what it's called. I think it's like LTOP. Yeah. Let me look at this. It has like the LTOP. I'll probably put in the description box all the features for the Apple Watch Series 5. And yeah, hopefully you all like my unboxing video. It's getting long is why I'm like kind of hurry up and rush and get off here. But yeah, I will talk to you all in the next one. Doodles.